गोयचे भलायकी खाते गोंयांत 8वे आंतरराष्ट्रीय योगा दीस मनोवपाचे आसा। सगळी भलायकी केंद्रां उपकेंद्रांतल्यान 21 जूनाक योगा दीस संबंधित कार्यावळी जातल्यो। पूण मुखेल कार्यावळ सांजे 6:30 वरांचेर बांबोळीच्या श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमांत जातली। हे संबंधातली सविस्तर माहिती आयुषाची उपसंचालक डॉक्टर मिनल जोशीन दिली। आयकात।
This year we are celebrating 8th International Yoga Day. आज़ादी के 75 साल, आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव या टायटल पोना आमका 75 places all over India which are iconic places and they have got some iconic importance. Those places are supposed to be celebrated for International Yoga Protocol, and there all governments, important ministers, government representatives are going to celebrate in their own jurisdiction, their area. In Goa also, under Directorate of Health Services, Ayush Cell with Department of Sports and Department of Education, district state level celebration of Yoga Day we will be conducting at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium at 6:30 AM on 21st of June. Chief Minister will be our chief guest. Special guest will be Shri Shripad Naik and our that area MLA Madam Jennifer Monserrat will be there. Also Chief Secretary will be also our guest. So Goa State. So we will be celebrating this 8th International Yoga Day in our all public health centers, community health centers, urban health centers, sub-district Goa hospitals, then Ayush Health and Wellness Centers, Yoga Wellness Centers and Wellness Centers. So under our jurisdiction of Directorate of Health Services and Ayush Cell, around 75 places we are going to cover, which will be our centers and our sub-centers. We will be inviting the local MLAs or local important public figures over there as guests, and we will be performing at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. We have invited 400 school students and other departments, government departments, and their officials also will be attending. From central government, 2 places were declared as iconic places: St. Cathedral Church, Old Goa, and Fort Aguada.